Hey, my name's Ashley. I'm here to talk about animals. Why? Because I love animals. Most importantly, because I have animals. This is Allie. You say hi. She says hi. The main reason why I ever was interested in learning about human animal communication was because of a communication course I was in at Lewis Clark State College. My advisor had given us a prompt for our final, and I was trying to think of things that I wanted to discuss. So I ended up with a question. Okay, the research question was, why do people adapt their voice when they talk to their animal? Like, you may have heard me say Allie's name in a different voice and talk to her differently, but um, there is actually a reason and a science behind the reasoning that we use those voices. So, what I'm going to do in the next few podcasts are going to be going over just my old research proposal, telling you guys some science behind human animal communication, and then I want to go over books that I've already read and then books that I am currently reading or have on my shelf that I want to read next. And if you guys have any comments or questions, please let me know. Also, if you have read the books, that would be even better. Please give me your insight into how you took the book, how you experienced the book. Right now, I am almost done with how Stella learned to talk. I got buttons for my dog, and we are practicing. So that could be another one of these podcasts that I'm going to do. Just gonna see how it goes and what feedback I get from you guys. So thank you for tuning in to this very, very short video. I just wanted to give a little pre-introduction into what I'm going to talk about. My name is Ashley Smith, and I have been doing research on human animal communication since about 2017. It is now, what day is it? May 12th, 2025. I have collected books over the years, been writing notes in a bunch of different notebooks and journals. I'm going to try to get all of those notes put into a document, and go over them with you guys as we go so I can keep building my research. Yeah, thanks for tuning in.